So let's study chapter 16 SARVAKSIROGA PRATISEDHA from Ashtanga Hridaya Uttarasthana, treatment of the disease of the whole eye. Adadaha Sarvakshiroga Pratishedham Vyakyasyaamaha Idihasmahu Ratreya Adayo Maharshayaha. We shall now expound the chapter Sarvakshiroga Pratishedha, treatment of the diseases affecting the whole eye, thus said Atreya and other great sages. So first we can study the Abhishyanda Chikitsa. Pragrupa evasyandeshu tikshnam gandusha navanam karayed upavasam cha kopat anyatra vadachit. In all Abhishyanda except that caused by aggravation of vada. First we have to do the gandusha. So you know what is gandusha? It is a mouth gargle. But in case of Abhishyanda we have to do tikshna gandusha, strong mouth gargle. Next is nasya or navana, nasal medication. Then third is upavasa or fasting. And all these should be done during the pragrupa avastha, that is a premonitory stage itself. Dahopadeha rakasro shoba shandaihi kuryat sarvatra bidhalakam patrela maricha swarna gairi kaihi sarasanchana yashtyahva nada chandana saintavaihi. So in case of the next we are going to talk about the procedure called the bidhalaka. What is bidhalaka? In all variety of Abhishyanda, in order to mitigate daha, burning sensation, upadeha, that is the thickening or a feeling of something sticking onto, raga, redness, asru, excess of tears and shoba, swelling. The procedure is a bidhalaka. What is bidhalaka? It is the application of the paste of the drug over the eyelid. And this should be done with patra, ela, maricha, swarna, kairika, rasanjana, yashtyahva, nada, chandana and saidava. So all these drugs are made into paste and applied over the eyelid. Then this procedure is bidhalaka. Saindava nagara tarksham brishtam mandena sarpishaha vadaji krita brishtam va yocham shabare deshasham. So for the vada abhishyanda especially we have to do Saindava nagara tarksha. These three drugs are fried in ghee, that is the grida brishtam. And from where we get this ghee? It is from the shabara deshasham. Okay, so Saindava Nagara Tarksha fried in ghee from Shabara Deshaja is used for external application in Vadaja Abhishyanda. Next is Rakta and Pitta. Mamsi Patmaga Kaliya Yashtyahva Pitta Rakta Yoho. In thus caused by Pitta and Rakta, paste of Mamsi, Patmaga, Kaliya and Yashtyahva should be used. Manohva Falini Kshaudраha Kabe. In case of Kabaja Abhishyanda, we use the paste of Manohva Fali above mentioned and made into paste and done. Now next is Avagundana. Siddha Marichadi Churna Avagundana. So Siddha Maricha Bhagamekam Chadur Manohvam Dvi Rashta Shabaragam Sanchurnya Vastrabhaddam Prakubida Matre Avagundanam Netre. So we use 1 part of Siddha Maricha, 4 part of Manohva, 16 part of Shabaraga or Lodra. All these are powdered nicely, made into fine powder, tied in a cloth. And it is worn as a screen before the eyes, in case of immediate aggravation of the eyes. Now Aranya Kulata Avachurnana. Aranyascha Aranyaha Chagana Rase Padhava Baddaha Susvinna Nagavitushi Gradaha Kulathaha Tachurnam Sa Kriva Churnani Nishithe Netranam Vidhamadi Sadhya Eva Koba. That is Aranya Kulata. It is a wild variety of horse gram. And this Aranya Kulata is tied in cloth. Susvinna, boiled well. In Chagana Rasa, juice of cow's dung. And what we do? We tushikrita. That is, we remove the husk of this Aranya Kulata by our nails and made into fine powder. Okay. And this powder is put into eyes only once. And this immediately cures the aggravation of symptom. Ghoshadi Churna. Ghosha Abhaya Tuttaka Yeshti Rodra Murti Rodram Murti Tamrasta Dhanyamle. निमग्नमूर्तिरक्तिं सुसूक्ष्मैः स्लतवस्त्रबद्धैः जयति अक्षिणी नैका रूपम् घोष अभय तुद्धका यष्टि रौद्र. These drugs are tied into a bundle with thin cloth immersed in dhanyamla. So what is dhanyamla? It is a fermented wash of the dhanya or grain. And then it is put in the copper vessel overnight. The powder of this is put into the eyes and cures the different kinds of pain of eyes. Now kadang kaderi kwadaseka. Shodashabihi salila palaihi. Palam. Tadhaigam kadang kade ya siddham segu ashtabhaga shishtaha. One pala of kadang kaderi boiled in 16 pala water, and the decoction made thus is reduced to 1/8. Kshaudra yudaha sarvadosha kubide netre. This decoction is mixed with honey. Used for sega. Means what is sega? It is the bathing of the eye with this decoction. This is beneficial for eye aggravated or all doshas. So sarvadosha kubide netre, we can use this. Shigra prayoga. Vagbhata kaba sannipadajam netrayor bahuvidham abhivyadham शीघ्रमेव जयति प्रयोजितः शिग्रु पल्लव रसः समाक्षिकः. Juice of pallava or tender leaves of shikru is mixed with honey, makshika. Then this is put into the eyes, quickly cures many kinds of pain caused by Vata Pitta Kaba individually, also in the Sannipadaja, that is a combination. Eranda Pindika. Tarunam Urubaka Patram Moolam Cha Vibhitya Siddhamache Kshire. So here tender leaves and roots of Urubaka is cut into bits and boiled in god's milk. Vadabhishyanda Rujam Sadhyo Vinihandi Saktu Pindika Choshna. So it is made into a pindika or ball. Then Saktu is added. Saktu means what is the floor of the Yava. And it is applied warm over the eye. Relieve the pain of Abhishyanda. Vada origin. Vada Abhishyanda Rujam. Handi. Ashchodana and Seka. Ashchodanam Marudaje Kwado Bilvadi Bihihitaha Koshnaha Saha Eranda Jada Brihadi Madhushikru Bihi. Ashchodana means filling the eyes with fluid with warm decoction of the drugs of Bilvadi Panchamula along with root of Eranda, Brihadi and Madhu Shigru. So that is Ashchodana. Hribere Vakra Sharngashto Udhumbara Vat Ubandara Twakshu Sadidam Sambasa Payasa Ajena Shulascha Ashchodana Muttama. That is decoction of Hribera or Vakra Sharngeshta bark of Udhumbara mixed with god's milk. Payasa Ajena, god's milk, is best Ashchodana to relieve Shulam, pain. Manjishta Rajani Laksha Draksha Dhati Madhugotpalaihi Kwadaha Sharkaraha Shidaha Sejanam Rekta Pittajit. So what about in the Rekta Pitta condition? Decoction of Manjishta Rajani Laksha Draksha Riddhi Madhuga Utpala added with sugar, Sharkara. Shida Sejanam. So this is applied cold and cure the symptoms of both Rekta and Pittaja Abhishyanda. Irrigation of eye Rekta Pittaja Syanda. Irrigation. Kaseri Yashtyahua Rajasthandave Shidhilam Stidam Apsu Divyaso Nihidam Hidam Syande Asra Pittaje. Powder of Kaseri and Yashtyahua. It is tied in a thin cloth and this is immersed in Divya Apsu or rain water or pure water also. Then this water is poured into the eyes is beneficial in the Abhishyanda born from Rekta Pitta or increased together. Pundrigadi Yoga. Pundra, Yeshti, Nisha, Modi, Pluda, Stanye, Sacharkare, Chagadukte Yadava Daha, Rukraga, Asro, Nirvartani. Pundra, Yeshti, Nisha. This is a powdered well made into a bundle with cloth and immersed either in immersed Pluda, Stanye, breast milk with Sacharkara or sugar, that is Stanya Sharkara, breast milk plus Sharkara, Chaga Dukta plus Sharkara, that is god's milk added with sugar. This cures Daha, burning sensation, Druk pain, Raga redness, Asru, excess of tear. Shveda Laudradi eye drops. Shveda Raudram, Samadugam, Gradabrishtam, Sachurnidam, Pastrastam, Stanya Mrididam, Pitta Rektabi Ghadachit. Shveda Raudra and Maduga is Gradabrishtam, that is fried in ghee. and it is powdered, so churnidam, vastrastam, tied in clothes, immersed in breast milk, stanya mrididam, then it is instilled in the eyes. Pitta rektabi kadajit, for this is done for the troubles by pitta and rekta. Nagaradi kwada ashodana. Nagara tribala nimba vasaro rasaha kabe. Koshnam ashodanam. Decoction of Nagara, Tribala, Nimba, Vasha, Rodra. Vasha, Rodra is the Rodra. Poured into the ice, warm is good. That is, it is Koshnam ashodanam. For which one? Kaba Abhishyanda. Misrair Beshajehi Sannipadike. In Sannipadaja Abhishyanda, decoction of the all drugs mixed together can be used. Use of Grida Stehana Virajana in various dosha condition. So first we are talking about the Grida. Sarpihi Puranam Pavane. In Vada Abhishyanda, the patient should drink Purana Sarpi. That is the old ghee. What about Pitte? Pitte Sharkaraya Anvidam. Pittam ghee mixed with sugar should be drink. Vyosha Siddham Kabe Pitva Yavakshārava Churnidam. For Kabha Abhishyanda, ghee boiled with vyosha and added with powder of yavakshara should be given. Sravayed rudiram bhuyastadaha. So after Gridabana, the next is Rudra Sravana. That is, the blood should be let out in large quantity or more number of time. Next, Snigdam. He is made oleated, giving the Sneha therapy, then Virechana, followed by purgation. So, Abhishyanda treatment, Panchakarma we can see. First, Gridabana is the Vada, Purana Grida, Pitta, Grida plus Sharkara, Kaba, Grida plus Vyosha plus Yavakshara Churna. Next is Rekta Sravana. After that, Snehana, then Virechana. Management of pain. Anuba Veshavarena Shirovadana Lebanam Ushnena Shuli. So, in case of pain, Shirovadana Lebanam is done. How? Shirovadana Lebanam means the head and face is coated with Veshavara. Veshavara is thin, warm paste of meat of animals of Anubadesha, marshy region. So when there is a pain, Shirovadana Lebana should be done with Veshavara, and Anuba Veshavarana, should be Ushna. What about Daha? In case of burning sensation, Dahetupayaha Sarpar Yudaihi Himaha. Burning sensation, application of milk plus Grida, and this is applied cold, Shite Himaihi. So, Shirovadana Lebanam, Shula we use Anuba Veshavara, Ushna, Daha we use ghee plus milk, Shita. Timira Pratishedham Chavikshya Yunchyat Yathayadam. So, other appropriate treatment should be done pursuing the detail of the treatment of the Timira. Adhimantha Chikitsa. Ayam eva vidhi sarvo mandadishwabi shasyade. The same treatment mentioned sova. So we know when Abhishyanda left untreated, it become Adhimantha. So Abhishyanda treatment can be done in Adhimantha also, according to the variety. Ashantam sarvada mande brewer uberi dahed. If Adhimantha does not subside by these Abhishyanda treatment, we have to do the Agni Karma. Brewer uberi dahedi. Cauterization by fire should be done above the brow. Rupyam Rukshena Godatna Limbet Neelatwamagade. When the eyes become Neelatwa or blue, we do Rupyam, silver rubbed with Rukshena Godatna. So we rub with Ruksha Godatna. This rubbing silver rubbed with dry curd should be done when the eyes become blue. And this is prepared from the cow's milk should be swear. So that is the curd prepared, dry curd prepared from the cow's milk should be used. Shushketu mastuna vartirva takshamaya nashini. Shushke, in case of the dryness, a varti or wick soaked in mastu put into the eyes cures the pain of the eyes. Sumanaha Kauragaha Shankas Tribhala Madhugambala Pittarektabaha Vartihi Pishta Divyene Varina. Buds of Sumana, Kauraga, Shanka, Tribhala, Madhuga, Bhala made into a Varti. This is macerated with Divyena Varina, that is the rainwater. This cures the Adhimantha caused by Pitta and Rekta. Saindavam Tribala Vyosham Shankanabihi Samudrajaha Fenam Elegam Sarjo Vartihi Sleshmakshirogana. So in case of the Sleshma Adhimantha, we use Varti prepared with Saindava, Tribala, Vyosha, Shankanabi, Samudra Fena, Ailega Sarcha. Okay. Next Pashapada Yoga. Prapoundarikam Yeshtyahum Darvim Chashtapalam Pache Jaladrone Rese Pude Punaha Pakke Ganek Shipet Pushpanjana Dashapalam Karsha Cha Maricha Tadaha. 8 pala each of Prapoundarika Yeshtyahua Darvi. These are boiled in 1 drona water and the decoction is reduced to a quarter. Filtered, boiled again to a thick consistency. Adding 10 pal of Pushpanjana zinc oxide and 1 karsha of Maricha. Kridaschurno Adhava Varti Sarvabhishyanda Sambhavan Handi Raga Ruja Garshan Sadyo Drishtim Prasadi. So this is used either in the form of a powder, churno, or Varti, wick. Cures Raga, redness, Ruja, pain, Garsha, friction caused by all type of Abhishyanda. Sadyo Drishtim Prasadi. And there is a immediately clear the vision. I am Pashupada Yoga, Rahasyam Vishaja Param. This formula known as the Pashupada Yoga is the utmost secret of the physician. So this is important. Thank you for watching my video. So we studied about the Abhishyanda as well as Adhimantha. Next class we can study the next Sarvakshi Roga. Thank you for watching my video. For more updates, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.